As we've seen, SwiftUI's environment flows down through our views, which allows some parents to set data for their children that can then be read out as needed. For example, we might create a simple welcome view for our application like this. Struct welcome view is a view. For its body, I'll say we have a VStack, and then an image with system name of sun.max, and then text welcome. We're going to use that somehow, and we'll adjust its font as well in our content view by saying welcome view in a font of large title, like that. And you'll see welcome a little sun thing there, and that works well enough. But what if we want to customize the font for the SF symbol we're using up here? Maybe our designer said, actually, I want to be much, much bolder, and so it'll stand out more clearly. Now, we could try adding a font modifier like this. Let's do .font, .large title, .weight, .black. And now I get a nice big punchy, bold sun image there. It works, but we've also introduced a problem here because this font choice will override whatever comes in from the environment. So if we later change content view down here to say, actually, I want to have a font of headline, for example, the text goes down in size, but the sun stays big. Now, in this situation, this second font modifier isn't really what we meant. Right? We don't want to force a wholly new font here. We just want to bold up whatever font we were otherwise going to be using. And SwiftUI has a wholly separate modifier for this called transform environment. It's able to transform one specific key in the environment somehow, and it'll pass as in-out reference to whatever the current value is. For example, in this case, we would say, I want to transform the environment here for the key path of .font. Change the font I'll be using. Give me the current font I have, and then make it that font with the weight of black. So change its weight to black, but otherwise the same font. And this, as you can see now, gives us a nice bold sun down there, a black sun even, but small, matching the headline size. But when it comes to large title, it keeps its black weight, but jumped up in size as well. And this approach here is very similar to a transaction modifier. Any kind of font applied to this image will automatically be transformed by that custom closure.